Welcome to your new favorite storage solution with the MOOACE Narrow Dresser Storage Tower, featuring 4 spacious drawers. This slim dresser chest of drawers is designed to fit perfectly in tight spaces while providing ample organization. Crafted with a stylish wood top and durable fabric drawers, it blends functionality with modern aesthetics. Its vertical design makes it ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry rooms where space is limited. The black and greige color options complement various decor styles effortlessly. Whether you need to store clothing, toiletries, or laundry essentials, this compact dresser keeps everything neat and accessible. Enjoy a clutter-free space with the MOOACE 4 Narrow Dresser that maximizes storage without sacrificing style. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.